Do you want to get rid of thigh fat? All you need to do is yoga for your thighs. Lack of exercise, age, hormones, genetics, and poor food habits contribute to excess flab in the lower body. Hi guys, so today in Yoga for the Soul, we will talk about some asanas to get rid of thigh fat. Coming on to the first pose, Tadasana or the chair pose. How to do it? Stand in Tadasana or keep your feet slightly apart. Bend the knees, keeping the legs approximately 45 degrees from the floor. Push the hips back without tilting the spine. Raise your arms up in line with your shoulders. You may join the palms together if comfortable. Look in the front, or if shoulders and neck are flexible, gaze towards the thumbs. Head, knee and toes should be in line. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. To release, straighten the legs and release the arms. This pose helps in moving the spine, hips and chest muscles. It also helps strengthen the lower back and ankle. Utkatasana improves the overall balance in the body and stimulates the digestive system. Coming on to the second pose, Naukasana or the boat pose. How to do it? Start by comfortably sitting on the mat, legs extended in front of you. Take your hands out to the side, shift your torso behind as your hips ground into the mat. Keep your spine tall and core engaged. Bend your knees and lift the calves off the floor. If comfortable, straighten the legs. Stretch out your arms so that they are in line with your knees. If this is too much, practice with the knees bent and the hands on the floor. Breathe normally and hold the posture for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat this asana 5 times to begin and relax for 15 seconds after each repetition. Naukasana is one of the most essential asanas to regulate core strength and engage the abdomen. It reduces excess fat from the waist and thighs. Coming on to the third pose, Bhadrasana or the cobbler pose. How to do it? Sit in Sukhasana, release your legs and bring the soles of the feet together. The soles of the feet must touch each other. Use the hands to hold the toes of the feet. Pull the legs towards the perineum. The legs should rest on the ground, touching the floor. This will require a good amount of flexibility in the beginning. Keep the spine straight and relax the trunk, especially the shoulders. Maintain this final pose for as long as comfortable. The breathing can be slow and rhythmic. For spiritual benefits, one may also practice awareness of the Muladhara chakra. Bhadrasana activates the root chakra or the Muladhara chakra. It strengthens the thighs, hips and buttocks. It is beneficial for developing flexibility in the legs. Bhadrasana is an excellent posture for meditation. Before I go, let's take a look back at today's video. We spoke about Utkatasana, which is great for strengthening your upper body muscles and maintaining your body balance. Boat pose also helps reduce body fat, and Bhadrasana helps to calm the brain and improve flexibility in the legs. Don't forget to share your thoughts and keep watching the space for more such content.